three types of electrophilic addition reactions. Similarly, we have three types of substitution reactions. First, we have is the electrophilic substitution, which is being shown by aromatic compounds, as in benzene, toluene, aniline, phenol, benzaldehyde, benzoic acid, and so on. Next type of substitution reaction is nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is being shown by alcohols, that is ROH. Next we have is the alkyl halides, that is RX. Now nucleophilic substitution reaction is also being shown by aryl halides. We also call it as halobenzenes. But there are certain conditions under which these aryl halides show nucleophilic substitution, that we will see in the subsequent lectures in this particular chapter only. Next we have is the free radical substitution reaction. This particular reaction is being shown by alkanes. Now alkanes are also known as paraffins, and they are known as saturated hydrocarbons. Basically, the term saturated and unsaturated is used as in for if a compound contains a double bond or a triple bond, or we say if a compound contains a pi bond, then we say it is a unsaturated. If it does not contain a pi bond, then we say it is a saturated. Next type of a reaction we have is the elimination reaction. It is being shown by ROH, that is alcohols. Next substrate for this particular reaction is alkyl halides, that is RX. Now, as we can see now clearly that if we start from the hydrocarbons to all the functional groups that we study in the organic chemistry, we can clearly see that each type of the reactant is showing a one particular type of reaction. Let us see how. Let us start with the alkane, that is simplest organic compounds, or which we call it as paraffins also, or we say saturated hydrocarbons. Now alkanes show free radical substitution. I have already told you. Next we have alkenes and alkynes. These two reactants or the substrates or two types of compounds show electrophilic addition reaction. Next functional group we have is the alkyl halides. This substrate shows nucleophilic substitution reaction as well as elimination reaction. Next type of functional group which we study is the alcohols and phenols. Now phenols are basically categorized under the aromatic compounds. So all the aromatic compounds, be it of haloalkanes, that is aryl halides, be it of alcohols, that is phenol, be it of aldehydes, that is benzaldehyde, or we can have acetophenone, benzophenone, then we can have benzoic acid also. So all these are basically aromatic compounds. So these types of compounds show only one type of a reaction, that is electrophilic substitution reaction. Now after the alcohols we have this aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, then we have derivatives of carboxylic acid also, in which the first derivative we say it is RCOCl, which is called as acid chloride. Then we have esters, that is RC double bond O, R dash. Then we have anhydrides, which have a general formula as R, C double bond O, C double bond O, then R. Next derivative of carboxylic acid is amides, that is RCONH2. Now all these compounds, all these types of compounds have got C double bond O group, which is called as a carbonyl group. So these all compounds will show nucleophilic addition reaction. So now, as now just I have told you that each type of a substrate show a particular type of a reaction